Hi, I'm Greg Staker with Watson Realty Corp, the Staker Group. And today I wanted to talk about something that I advise all buyers and sellers that I deal with real estate transactions. And that's, I'm not a licensed roofer. So I'm not going to climb up on the roof and be able to tell you what's going on up there. But I am going to encourage you to hire the right expert to come down to make sure that there are no issues that are going to impact you selling your home or you buying the home. I'm not a licensed roofer, but I do have 30 years of experience helping to advise customers on what they should be doing as they purchase or sell a home. So should I use a home inspector or a licensed roofer when inspecting the house? That's a question that I receive a lot in my career, and I would say this. A home inspector does a complete evaluation of the entire home. If the home inspector finds something that is of concern in a special area, he is going to suggest you get a licensed roofer, or in this case, to come in and check to see what's going on, what the remedies might be, what the concern could be in the future. As a result, licensed roofers are more specialized in certain areas. So I would recommend whenever there are concerns or issues to go ahead and bring in a licensed roofer. Of course, one of the things I've learned in over 30 years is I don't have to be an expert on everything there is to know about a home. I just need to be able to advise a customer when they should call in the experts, and then I can help them find the right expert to come in and look at their home. As a result, this will save that customer any issues and problems and possibly money down the road. A roof is one of the most expensive systems on a home. So as a result, it's more than just the shingles you see from the ground. A roof consists of decking, it consists of roof vents, it consists of valleys, it consists of water penetration. There are so many issues that impact a roof that you need to have an inspection done to determine what, if anything, is going on with your roof. One thing I've learned in over 30 years of doing this is I don't have to be an expert in every profession. When a buyer or seller is encountering an issue, I know who to advise them to see, whether it's a roofer, an HVAC person, a plumber. We want to make sure we get the right person in to help protect their investment. For additional information regarding this, please visit gregstaker.com. And you're always welcome to reach out, give me a call if you have any questions or concerns. And we look forward to seeing you on the next I Am Not video.